with Jeff. People just make the most useless videos. Should I do the same?
Ha! Say you thought.
Hey, welcome back to another Create with Jeff video. In this video I want to address how to select an object properly, because otherwise, you won't be able to merge your items, you won't be able to wrap a font around the design, and you won't be able to combine them or make a clipping mask. So what you want to do is go to the top left of the toolbar and click on the selection tool. That arrow that you see there, that's the selection tool. That's what you want to click so that you can do all that I'm doing right now. You can activate type on path with it. Once you have your font properly selected, you can merge together, you can combine shapes, but make sure you have that selected, that arrow at the top left. Otherwise, you won't be able to do it. Because a few people have had trouble with it in the comment section and they've let me know. You can also select different fonts once you've properly selected your object. So, hope this was useful. Have a good day. Later.